Hi YouTube, so today I'm going to be showing you how to polish exhaust tips. So as you know, this is my 21-year-old neglected Audi TT and the exhaust tips were absolutely disgusting, but I managed to do this in about 10 minutes. It's not that hard, so I hope it helps some people out on how to make their exhaust look a bit better. So first of all, I just got some diluted wheel cleaner. I'm just going to absolutely soak the exhaust. Just let that sit for a few seconds. I've got a bucket of soapy water. Just some car shampoo is absolutely fine. And what you want to do is just get an old wheel brush. As you can see, this one's knackered now. And just make sure you clean absolutely everything out, and you can see all the carbon that's coming out from the inside of the exhaust. Just want to work that in. Just keep cleaning the brush every now and again just to get as much of the carbon out as possible. As I've said in previous videos, I'm far from a professional, so this is just a quick demonstration on how I do stuff. And now I've got another tyre brush that I'm just going to use just to give it a good scrub. So once you've got all that, just the surface dirt off, go ahead, just get an old microfiber cloth. That's all I use, just to get the excess off. So once you've wiped it all clean, I'm just going to go ahead, get some 1000 grit sandpaper. A lot of people use wire wool, but I'm just going to go up in stages on sandpaper. You just want to go all the way around as much as possible, getting all the final built up carbon and road dirt off. As you can see, it's built up really bad, so I'm just going to dunk it in some water just to clean it off. It's a bit of a messy job, but it pays off in the end. I probably should be wearing gloves, but hey ho. Make sure we go all the way around. Just do the internal lip. So again, you just want to get your old microfiber cloth, just give it a clean down just to see if you've missed any of the black marks. And already you can see it's just completely transformed it. But I will go ahead, use a fresh piece of sandpaper, just daze and grit again, just to tackle all the last little bits that I've missed. I'm not sure if it's focusing, but as you can see there's very fine scratches all over the exhaust tip. So now you just want to work your way up sandpaper to 1200, then I'm going to do 2000 and then 2500, and then I'll just go in with some polish afterwards, and yeah. So I've went over the whole exhaust tip with sandpaper, ranging from 1000 all the way up to 2500. So it does look 100 times better. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up very well, but from before and after it's completely transformed it. So now I'm just going to go ahead with a microfiber cloth and just apply some polish to it, just to give it that shine. A bit like this one. And as I said, this only takes, I would say, 10-15 minutes. You just want to work in your polish. There's all different brands of polish out there, but this is just all I had. Just work it in all around the tips. Just expect to get loads of black exhaust carbon and dirt build up, spraying all over you when doing this, but it's worth it in the end. Bit more polish. So that's the exhaust tips complete, all looking nice and shiny. I know it's a short video, but it's such an easy thing to do, and it makes a huge transformation to the car. So yeah, I hope I've shed some light and give someone some help on this today. I doubt it, but you never know. So if you could like and subscribe, that would be great, and drop me a comment if there's anything I need to improve on, if I've done anything wrong, because knowledge is key. Thank you.